Hello guys, welcome to day 210 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Yesterday I tried to create a comment section for my website. I have no experience in creating the comment section, so this is my first time. Yesterday I faced a problem which was I wasn't know how to create a input tag that I can resize it manually. So when I faced this problem, I came back to my Discord channel. Let me show you. I came to my Discord channel and asked this from my friends to see if anyone know a tag that can do this. I already was learn about text area tag, but I was just forget the code, and I tried to search in the Google, but I didn't found this tag. So here is the answer. This friend Noix has given me the answer. So if you want to join this channel, you can check the invite link in the description of this video. I have a channel with about 100 programmers who are trying to help each other into learning web development and become a full stack programmer. Of course, a lot of them are already a programmer, a professional one. So some of them are some of us are beginner like me, but most of them are professional. So let's get back to our job. We are trying to design this. We want to create a comment section. We can add comment here. There's a send button, and when the user press send button, the comment coming here, and if we press reply button, there will be another comment here. So let's get back to our job. Today we are practicing about 20 minutes or 30 minutes. What do we do now? Let me open it, leave server. Okay, this is text area. I can change the size of it. Let's delete the input. So refreshing the page. But it is good to make this text area in a stable size, in a static size for the first when the user begin. We don't want it to be this much big. So let me see if I can change the size of it. Like here there is columns and rows. I think I can change the size with this. So I can say it should be 10 columns and 20 rows. Oops. So I have to reverse this, like still 30 columns and 20 rows, 10 rows, maybe 3 rows or 2 rows. 2 rows is too small for this. Maybe it should be bigger. Like, let me check 4. 3 is better. Okay, that's it. Now we have this, but let's give it a send button, and let's put all of this in a div tag so we can change, we can move it later easily. And the send button should be here, like button send. It's down. Maybe we have to give it a let's give this text area button. No, I have to say, let's give this an ID, like send button, send button. And let's give this a margin bottom. If I give it a margin button or maybe padding, let me open this again. It still didn't change. So what is the problem? Send button, send button. It doesn't receive a margin. Why is that? Maybe it's because the div tag, because div tag will only be the size of the content that it have. So maybe that's why it doesn't receive or accept any margin. Let's make it much obvious, like 50. Still have no change. I'm thinking about if I need to put this in a grid method. Oh, I think maybe I didn't link the CSS page. Let me delete this. Let's say body background color red. Okay, so the problem is I didn't link the external CSS style page or document to the HTML document. Say link style CSS, Control S. Now if I Control S here as well. Okay, now it's linked. Let's link the JavaScript page as well. So before I forget that, there is a shortcut keys for myself I created. I'm doing this for JavaScript and jQuery. Here can add them, press Ctrl S. So if I say console log hi, you check if the page is connected. Trying to press Ctrl save again. So why it doesn't work? It's not connected. My JavaScript document is not connected to this. Maybe because the name is have different spelling. Nope. The same page. It's the same page. Let me double check it. I don't know why the page is not linked to the HTML. Anyway, let's get back to our job. We will come back and fix this problem to save time. So I put a comment for myself here, so later I will come back and know this document is not linked to the HTML page, and I don't know why. Comment this, so I will come back and know the reason. I'm going to comment this as well. So right now we only need the CSS page, which is linked. Okay, where we were trying to give this margin, or maybe I have to say button. Nope, margin. doesn't work. I press Ctrl S to save the file, but maybe it needs padding. Padding top like 100 pixel. Nope, it doesn't need padding. Let's bring them out of div tag for now. I'm trying to bring this button at the center of this text area. So maybe I have to use display position relative. Okay, now it's accept margin. Let's give it margin bottom. I am going to bring back div tag and display it like grid. So let's give this ID, send message container. Send message container should have display grid and how to make it fraction. In some fraction it was something like template, grid template columns, grid template rows. So we want 2 columns, 1 row. So one fraction, and we want 2 rows, so grid template rows, 1 fraction. The first fraction of the column should be twice as the first one, or maybe 3 fraction. Press Ctrl S. Let's get back to our container here. Pressing inspect to explore and see if it gets 2 sections. It's like we have no div tag here, as you can see, but we already included the div tag, right? So maybe we need to close this page and refresh it again. Make sure to save this page. Okay, now we have 2 sections. It's too much big. Let's make it smaller. It's just get the whole page. We don't want that. Maybe we have to create 12 grids and only fill some of them. Okay, 23 minutes of practice today. I'm going to check my codes in my notes about grid in my other computer. Display grid. So we can use pixel as well instead of fraction. For example, we can say the first one should be 100 pixel and the second one should be like 20 pixel for the send button. And the row can be 200 pixel. Oops. Okay, let's work on this problem tomorrow. I already spent 25 minutes. I'm going to watch a video about reinforcement learning right now because it's relative to MATLAB and it's I have to work on the MATLAB for my university project. So that's enough for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.